Gbege don shele o my people. Hey, one man don go majestically give the Iran governor a resetting slap. If you see this kind of slap, on a going surprised. And based on wetin I hear, they just even elect this man as governor. As the man stand for pulpit making the giving inauguration speech. Now there I don't know na out of frustration. I bet this man mean this governor before. If you now see the bola slap where this man give this person, my people beg, make na join me watch. See person no even fear. The slap even shock everybody inside the building. People even shock say a whole governor now they mean like this. But based on wetin I hear, it be like say this man, people wait there for this place, they don't even like this governor. Because based on people where they there, now so one person they shout death to the hypocrites based for inside their language. And I say if people don't they chant this kind of word, it means say they don't like you. So Governor Abedin, me I go advise you say you know say people don't like it because they don't they chant this one. Why be say you don't go just step down? Because to me, your life they in danger. Because person will be say if you just walk, enter pulpit, can't give you slap. What of making can't kill you? It means you no go even waste time. If say that guy even carry gun come there, by now you for don't even die. So a reason and what make you just quickly step down, make your life there at peace. Because if like say these people they really mean you. And for me, I go advise say your security person, make you just sack all of them because they useless. I be say a whole governor go sit down, they give speech. Person go just walk out just like that, can't give me slap. I beg what it could be on our essence. Why be so on a day, I don't even notice a person climbed it. After the person don't beat me blue and black, now can't conquer they fight the person. It don't make sense. A whole governor. Now on a disgrace on national television just like this. So me, I go advise, follow them. In fact, you suppose even torture them, those guys. The man don't even pay them to climb that place. Because all of us know a whole governor, person no go just get access to go meet the person just like that. But our Iran and Iraq people, why be say everything for on violence? On a no go fit take things jejely. Calm down, go do things. At least if you know say you get go every time, you call them, okay, Mr. Governor, I don't like you, I don't do this. Not be about all this fight. Because last night we call here say they don't carry guns. We don't want all this kind of wahala beg. The country don't already dey hot, the world don't even dey hot to everybody. So make they calm down, they react a beg. My people now here, I will take break on this matter. Make stay tuned for our next story. My people, I welcome you. I hear say our Nigerian police don't arrest one man because this man scam people of 1.9 million naira. Talk say he won't secure job for people. And I know all these kind of people will say that they act as agents. They claim say they get direct link to offices and all this kind of thing. Yes, now that kind of work this man they do. After this man now don't scam people of him money, he can't decide say he won't jack back come up from streets. Now there they go bust them. My people beg. They can follow me watch.
The suspect specializes in swindling desperate job seekers and obtaining money from them through false pretense. Parading the suspects, the NSCDC State Commandant Hamid Abodurin said the counter-terrorist unit of the command has been on the hunt for the suspect due to a series of complaints by more than 19 victims. He said the suspect confessed that he has a network of connections of job offers in collusion with his supposed aid to a top government functionary.
My officers and men, during their intelligence and investigation activities, they were able to arrest a man who has been dubiously collecting money from members of the public, unsuspecting members of the public, with pledges and promises that he will give them job. He has been collecting money from them, running to several thousands of naira. One Ige Ayodele, that's the name, who claimed to be 44 years old. He has been moving from one place to another, collecting money, telling them that he will recruit them into civil defense. He can recruit them into NDLEA. He can also recruit them into some other government agencies. And they have been giving him money.
Why be say our people? In fact, I don't tire for Nigerians. Because all of us know say this work and legit work. Why be say you no run am on a legit level? Why be say na the scam type? Now you can't decide say you won't go they do. Now why sometimes I dey tire for our people? If somebody come outside and saying they do legit, I know they even trust them again. Because you no go know which one be real and which one be fake. But people say una no wise. You na go dey pay person money for something wey be say una know say all this government work mostly na online they fill the form. You na go dey pay am money. Una no dey see the work, una still dey pay. Say go carry work, find work for presidential office. Person wey no get work, he won't give you work for presidential office. No be so your mumunes don't reach. You no suppose don't reason and say you no even wise at all. And some of all these things na thief they use and do. Na scam they be, they no even be real people. I don't reason say our government supposed to put law now. So if you know say you want run this kind of agent, at least get warrant, make we know so fine and good. This one if they run and legitimately. At least that way we go know so this one a better person, this one no better person. Because all these ones wey be say boys now know they smart everywhere they want hustle. They want use and scam people. It no make sense. Because how person go they suffer so okay, I no get work, I no get work. I will come pay you, help me find work, you will come scam me. I beg, it no make sense now. Make we reason all this our act, all this our wickedness, you know they good. Make we try the change. Now what they make our name this spoil? Person go hear this one now. I go see Nigeria again. No be they degrade us again, now this one don't go to. So I beg my people, making they get better mentality. All these ones you know good. My viewers now here I will end them on this matter. Making us stay tuned for our next story. Our National Law and Drug Enforcement Agency, as I hear these people don't boast another consignment. When one come up from Nigeria, they enter Malaysia. Oh, and I know the techniques wey be say then these people now don't start to dey use. You know, go even fit think am. Now na tailoring materials. Now people now they use the taste carry drugs and things come up from Nigeria. I no even feel reason my mind go this kind of place. Say now among all the way they don't leave traveling bag, they don't leave everything. Now inside clothes. Now they go fold this thing, hide them inside, they carry and go. People beg, they cannot follow me what?
2 consignments of heroin weighing 4.40 kilogram and 550 grams were intercepted at the cargo shed of the Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Ikeja. 2 suspects, one of them a freight agent that cleared the consignment and the other a storekeeper that was to collect the cargo for onward distribution to recipients, were arrested for further investigation. The second consignment, discovered at the Sako export shed and concealed in walls of 10 cartons laced with tailoring materials, was headed to Malaysia via Addis Ababa. A freight forwarding agent, Ekber Samson Victor, was arrested in connection with the illegal export.
Talented Nigerians. Oh, now no they ever using their talent for better thing. So bad thing, because even if me I be official, my mind no go even go inside. So make I go to open the paper where they use paper, they check inside the middle. I beg now so on our creativity. Why be so on they using our creativity for better things? Only bad things. But I know what it can shock me. But see where they run this cocaine deal by name Igwe Okoye. I hear say this guy they don't even arrest him. In they under investigation. But see where they inside prison. Now another package don't come. Now your name still there inside. And you know the way they catch this guy October 18. Now they carry this man. You there inside prison still they run things. Now what they make me they know say all these people they get big leg. But NTL me I still get one question for now. All this is when what thing are they even use and do? Because now never come as I can't talk so okay on a sell am on a bond nothing. Because if say truly on they store these things on our office suppose don't turn to dustbin. But now so go here say on a season I beg what thing are they we go like here that one. Making a clear the air on that one because no be about busting. Nothing where would they see the use. If now one sell and make the money they enter back into Nigeria. Make we know in our business we they do. No be about all this scamming work will be all of ourselves speed and there they do. Anyways, my viewers now here I will take break on this matter. Making us stay tuned for our next story.